The city's had an opportunity to collaborate with Commerce on a variety of different projects over the last 3 years. For us, the City Service Campus was a consolidation of all of our services, which are currently spread out in different footprints throughout the community, coming together on one single site on the 4.1 acres. We were awarded, I think, just over $1 million, $1.5 million to be able to acquire the property. So this project is part of 3 different phases. We just completed the first phase for the fire station. The next phase is for police and courts. So we're talking about a consolidation of all the services on one location. That's easier access for the public. It's also an increase in productivity by the people working together. It's been really encouraging to have a partner like Commerce come alongside with an interest in understanding what the needs are unique to Airway Heights or unique to the West Plains, and then work collaboratively across the board, not only identifying opportunities that Commerce might be able to be supportive of them, but even outside of the department itself, other agencies, and bringing those particular partners to the table. For us to see the fire station come into fruition with the open house, it was a significant moment. Our fire chief has been seeking to be able to stand up a new fire station for the past 14 years. I think it's really positioned the community to be successful with regards to these public services for quite some time in the future.